Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating Shabby Chic heart in pink. Why not? This time I decided to create my own project base, and I am creating it out of cardboard. So the first step was to draw the heart shape, and now I'm cutting it out. I thought it would be better to use a craft knife, but mine is really bad condition, so I did it with the scissors. And then I decided also to remove the top layer in some parts and reveal that gorgeous cardboard texture which is underneath the first layer. After that, I'm going to apply one layer of white gesso and prepare the base for the paints. And because I didn't have the shade of pink I wanted to use, I decided to mix darker pink with lavender paint and also adding white gesso. I mixed all of that together until I was happy with my shade of pink, and then I paint the base with that. And then again I went back to gesso and applied not a opaque layer, just highlighting the parts with the texture and focusing on the edges of the base of my project. For that I used dry brush, didn't mix the gesso with water at all, because you only want to highlight some parts of that base of that heart. And then to add even more texture, I used stencil and modeling paste. Unfortunately, later I will cover most of it. I didn't know at that point that my decoration will be so big. I planned it much smaller, but it's never like exactly how I plan. Usually I just go with the flow. So yes, I covered most of that stencil, but it looked really nice on the base. So with the smaller decoration it will be more visible, so it was still worth to do it. For decorating I used some resin elements created with Finnabair molds and other little pieces. So I used embossed chipboard frame, also some handmade flowers and die cut leaves. Not many elements at all. I wanted just to actually to feature that little heart, so I didn't want to have too many elements around it. I used some of the flowers as a support for my little heart, because the composition is quite layered and sometimes it's difficult to create those layers, but you can use some of the elements to support the other elements. And this is what I did with the flowers here and with the other resin leaf. Actually it was air dry clay leaf, also created with the Prima mold. Yeah, this is supporting that heart, and it worked really well here. because I felt that something is missing on the left side of the heart, I decided to add few more little flowers and then smaller version of the same heart. And this heart is I treated it with the wax, with the sage leaves and old white wax, so it has similar colors to my leaves. And now I will be finishing the project by adding some micro beads, sequins and other small elements, and this actually will be almost it. I will also add, as my last step, white gesso on the leaves and on the edges of my project. My project is ready. I hope you like it. I really love the result. It's very shabby chic, very my style. I love pink and green together, and I hope to inspire you to create something similar. Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.